Okay guys, wow, that was surprisingly easy. Let me show you guys how to get free dice in Monopoly Go. It only takes a few minutes, so let me get into the tutorial.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And basically guys, if you don't know who I am, I specialise in saving you guys money on pretty much anything you can think of. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get free dice in Monopoly Go, and this is a super easy method. I've tried tons of different methods, and this is definitely the easiest and most reliable way of getting Monopoly Go dice for free. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen and running through the steps you need to take, guys. The entire process takes around 5 to 10 minutes to get your dice rolls, and this is going to give you almost a million dice. Well, it's 999,999, so that is pretty much a million. And yeah, this is the easiest method of getting those dice. So let me record my screen and we can get into the tutorial. Not the flashlight. Anyway guys, so you need to open up an internet browser. Make sure you use your mobile phone. It's important you use your mobile. I'm sure you have one if you play Monopoly Go. And you need to go to this website guys, www.speedycoupons.com. Oops. Well, if you just type in speedycoupons.com, you should hopefully find this website here. This website is awesome, guys. I discovered these a few months ago, and as a result, they've saved me probably almost $1,000 at this point. But yeah, they have loads of different things on this page. But if you go to the search bar, guys, and type in Monopoly, it'll pop up Monopoly Go free dice. So click on that page and scroll down a little bit. You can see you can also get free cash, but no one really searches YouTube for the cash one, so that's why I'm going to be showing you the dice. So click on it says show coupon, but it's not a coupon. You just click that button and you're going to be brought to a new page like so. And here guys, it's pretty easy. You just got to follow through these steps. You need to enter in your user ID, so I'm going to enter in my username for Monopoly Go, and then I'm going to press connect, and it essentially looks for your username in the database and just confirms it's a real username. And then you need to select the platform. Now I use iPhone, so it's iOS for me, but yeah, just select your platform and then click this blue button that says free Monopoly Go rolls and cash. And it's basically just going to confirm your username as well as your device is actually on Monopoly Go servers. And you can see guys, it says finalize and unlock, and it says before our system provides you free Monopoly Go rolls and cash, you will need to pass this verification step. This is to confirm you're not a bot. So basically guys, you need to just verify you're a real person. As you can imagine, people steal all of these free dice and cash. So this is just a way to prevent that and ensure each person gets only one set amount of dice. So click this verify now button, and you're going to see this page here that says Monopoly Go. Essentially guys, you need to complete 2 tasks on this page to get your free dice. You can see guys, it only takes a few minutes to complete these, and these tasks are sort of like you can play games or answer some questions. You just have to make sure you read the description below each one and follow them carefully for the 2 that you choose. So you can see, for example, Travel Town at the top says download the game and complete level 10. So if you wanted to do that one, you would simply click on it. It's going to take you to the App Store where you have to download the game and then play it. So I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 of these guys, and then I'll return once I've done them. Right guys, so I've returned. That took me almost 10 minutes. Basically guys, I downloaded that game at the top, the Travel Town one, so I had to download the game, then I just played it until I got to level 10. It was quite a fun game, so I didn't mind doing that one. And then I also just did this survey one where I had to answer some questions and basically input a valid email address. That one's pretty easy actually, so maybe I should have done 2 of those, but yeah, you can choose any 2 tasks. So if you completed everything correctly, when you hit your tabs button, like I've just done there, you can see I've got this free Monopoly Go rolls tab down on the bottom right. So because I've done everything correctly, I've got this tab and it says complete. You have successfully passed the verification step. Your free dice will now be added to Monopoly Go account. Smithy Bones, please allow 10 to 15 minutes for your dice to be added and ready for use. And that is it. So now I have to wait around 10 to 15 minutes for my dice to be added to my Monopoly Go account, and then I can just use them however I want, and that's going to be 999,999 dice. And that is it, guys. So you just have to make sure you do fully complete all of the instructions and steps to get your free dice, and go to speedycoupons.com. Pretty easy, guys. This is definitely the best method that I've discovered, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can of course leave them in the comment section below. Always happy to answer you guys who need help. Please smash that like button. It really helps me grow the YouTube channel. And once again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, and yeah, enjoy your free dice. Have a great weekend. Peace out.